going on, everybody? Warren with Sirens Project. We're here at Next Step Ministries in Woodstock, Georgia. We're here to take down a dying tulip poplar that has received some root damage with some construction going on here over the past couple of years. Next Step Ministries is an amazing ministry here locally that helps adults with disabilities. And this particular tree is in their courtyard area, and it's been having some tip dieback and dropping some branches, and it's become kind of a hazard. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that for them. And today we got John with Grist Arbor Services. He's gonna be climbing today. I'm gonna be doing ropes and some groundwork, but hopefully we can film some of this and show you guys what we do. Alright guys, so we brushed it all out. John has been killing it up there. Now we're just down to the trunk wood, but we kind of got to get a little creative with span rigging of sorts. Our landing zone is super small for all these pieces. We have fence on every single side, railing, wheelchair ramp, swing set, sidewalk. I mean, there's a bunch of targets here that we're trying to avoid. And so basically, we got a running bowl in here and a sling with an iron wizard carabiner attached to it. And then we got this 5/8 rope that runs all the way to this pine, to a block, down to a porta wrap here at the base. He's gonna cut it free, transfer the load to the line. We'll hold it static a little bit, you know, and then just kind of lower it down slowly into this drop zone.
So I'm John Grist, owner and operator of Grist Arbor Services, and today we were doing a poplar removal, which had a few targets below, a handicap ramp, a few fences, quite a tight area, but either way it all went well. Roped everything down, got everything down safely, and it's looking good.